Plugins are one of the things that make WordPress great. Plugins add new features to your website easily without needing to write code or hire a developer. In this video, we'll learn how to install and manage your plugins. Start by navigating to the Plugins, Add New screen. Here you can find all of the plugins that are listed in the official plugin directory. Search for the plugin you want. And all of the results that you see here are free plugins. Next, click the Install Now button, and then WordPress will automatically download the plugin to your website. And once the plugin has been downloaded, click the Activate button. And that's it, the plugin is now ready to use. As mentioned, the plugin directory only lists non-commercial free plugins. If you upgrade a plugin by buying the premium version, you have to install it a slightly different way. I've now purchased the full version of WP Forms, so let's take a look at how to install it. We'll start by downloading the plugin from the plugins website. Next, we go back to the Plugins Add New screen, and this time we'll click the Upload Plugin button and then select the zip file that we just downloaded. Now click Install Now, and WordPress will upload the plugin to your website. This may take a while depending on how large your plugin file is. Alright, great. So the plugin has finally been installed and we're sent to this screen, and the final step is to click the Activate Plugin button. Many premium plugins like WP Forms require a license key to activate automatic updates and support. You can find the license key from the plugin website or in an email that the developer has sent to you. I'm going to copy the license key here and then paste it into the plugin settings page. Finally, I can verify the key, and now the site has been activated and is receiving automatic updates and support. Depending on the plugin, the settings screen and license activation may be different. Some plugins like WooCommerce require that you sign into your account from your WordPress website to activate the license key. Finally, you can find all the plugins that you've installed on your site from the Plugins Install Plugins screen. Here you can update plugins, or you can deactivate them, and you can even delete them from your site. And that's how you install and manage plugins in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend.